Email packing slips let you send packing slips to customers when orders are shipped. You can email packing slips for a range of shipments, or you can email packing slips when you post shipments in extended order entry and extended shipment entry. The Email Packing Slips program lets you select the crystal report to use for packing slips, sort items on packing slips by picking sequence, item number, or shipment line number, select shipments using a range of shipment numbers, select the email message used for sending packing slips, and include the following information on packing slips: serial or lot numbers, kit components, and bills of material component items. Let's have a look. I've shipped quantities on this order and will now post it. I'll choose the OE Forms button and then click Email Packing Slip. The shipment number is already selected. It's the last shipment number for this order. You can change the packing slip report template, the order of items on the packing slip, and the email message template. And you can select options to include serial or lot numbers, kit components, and BOM components. The email addresses come from the customer record or from customer contacts, and you can change the email addresses if necessary. When ready, click the Send button. You can also send batches of packing slips by choosing the Email Packing Slips program from the Sage 300 desktop. This screen provides the same email and report options, and it lets you email packing slips for a range of shipments. That completes a quick look at email packing slips, one of over 50 TaiRox productivity tools. Please visit the TaiRox website for more detailed information about productivity tools and other TaiRox products for Sage 300.